How to turn off general interests on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off general interests on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click on this profile on this icon here in the bottom corner, and now click this icon settings, and then go down until you find here data collection and click on it, this one, and here you will find categories of data we might process, and then you'll find general interests. If you want to turn it off, just click here, and as you see, general process interests has been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.